And we've chosen to study something called mangosteen. The leading manufacturer is a company called Zango, and it's that rind that contains some unique anti-inflammatory agents called xanthones.
Zango juice, which is high in mangosteen, which is a fruit from Southeast Asia that actually it's
super high.
It's supposed to cure everything from diarrhea to UTIs.
High in antioxidants, high in nutritional value, so hence the word superfruit. It actually comes from the word superfood.
What piqued your interest about the mangosteen?
Why would you ever use a drug which has the potential for disaster when a mangosteen could possibly give you the same kind of an effect?
The product is called Zango juice. You're only supposed to drink 4 ounces a day or so. I drank the whole bottle in a day.
Ooh. Made from the mangosteen, which is known as the queen of the fruits in Thailand. A recent clinical study found that Zango actually has heart-healthy benefits. It's made from puree, not from concentrate, so this is a wonderful blend.
I'm going to load up with antioxidants, a little Zango juice, and just a little bit of baked potato. I'm going to be careful.
All right.
Oh, that sounds good.
And I got a clean slate of health for the first time that I can remember. Wow.
I like this stuff. And you know what? You're going home with your own tiger blood.